Good morning, folks. Mr. Garry here again. It's Friday and it's a plus 5 degrees and rain. We'll take it. Any day that it's mild and warm is a great day here on the homestead here at GBL, the old church, 5-acre homestead. We're going to do a thing today, one that I've been looking forward for a few months now, and I'm going to show it to you, and it's right next to my feet. I've been wanting to replace the water container that's in the chicken run for quite a while now. And today I dug out this one that we had last summer and fall. But during the winter it used to freeze up. The nipples on this watering container would freeze up during the cold nights and the chickens couldn't get any water from it. So I put it away, and we just got that little white container that we've been using for the last few months during the winter, and I've been supplying water every morning and throwing out the ice. Well, we're going to replace it today. Good morning, girls. I've got your water container here for you. Here we go. Let me go in. You're familiar with this one. I know you are. Let me come in. Come on. Don't go out there. The hawks and the howls will get you. Now, look at that. An egg there this morning. One of the chickens laid an egg right there. Okay, girls, come in. Come on. They want to go out. I better hook that hook right there. I don't want them to escape. Now, they are thirsty, I know, but it's too low, so that's why I had those blocks during the corner. Well, this container is going away, so we'll get that out of the way. Now, girls, you gotta give me a chance. I'm gonna lay down those blocks, so I'll just move that over there. Let me get in here. I'm gonna pick up that egg. That's the first one that we've ever had. I'm just gonna lay it inside the coop there. I'll go in there shortly and get the rest of them, and you can join me for that. But anyway, these blocks, we normally put them underneath. Let me get them, these blocks. All right, so there you go. I got these 3 blocks there of 4x4, and I put the water on top of that. It gets it up off the ground, and then it's a little bit better for the girls. They know, they remember, they have good memories. Chickens do, so they're enjoying their water. And there's 4 spouts, so 4 nipples on there, so they'll have to take turns drinking from it, and it's full to the brim. So what I'll have to do from now on, though, is I'll have to get a bucket of equal size. I'll fill that up in the house from the kitchen sink, and then I'll return out here, take the cover off of that one, and just pour it in. So that will stay there in the corner. Let's hope we do not get any more cold weather, frosty weather, and these nipples will freeze up. If that happens, though, I'll have to get some other container. I'm going to be going to the store one of these days and hopefully find a rubber container, and I can have that one as a stop measure when that one freezes up over there. Miss Betty has gone into the city today. She left a little while ago, and she's going to stop off at a Goodwill center, and if she can find a large container like that broken one there on the ground, then she's going to pick one up at the Goodwill center for $1 or $2. So that's a good thing. So hopefully that will happen. We'll see. Okay, so now I need to go inside. I need to go inside the coop and get some eggs, and you can join me for that. Before I go, I want to check the food situation. I filled this one up yesterday, okay, and it's quite full there now. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit out on the ground, though, because they do like to peck, and so we'll put that little bit out, and they'll enjoy that. And there's lots in there indeed. Okay, so let's do that. Let's go and collect some eggs. Enjoy your water, girls. Take out that old container, Mr. Garry. We don't want that anymore. That's not much good for anything. Now, I'm going to make sure that the latch is across, and I put on this carabiner. Okay, so there you go. All secure for today. An old container here, my egg carton. I laid it up there actually, but it blew off, it fell off anyway. So let me get that inside, Now, this is this screen door that my son and I made a few days ago. Now, I'm going to ring the bell, let them know that I'm coming in. Now, I had to do a little bit of a few changes in here the other day. You might notice that I moved some things around and cleaned up a little bit here in this corner, making it a little bit better for the girls to lay their eggs, and also for that door to swing back to the corner. And if I look, there's a Norian egg down there, another Norian there, another Norian there, a couple of bird rocks, and looks like a leghorn there. So that's 6. And if I go over to these nesting boxes, oh, there's 5 more there, so that's 11. Plus that blue one that was laid out on the ground in the run. Isn't that something? Now, open up that carton there, Mr. Garry, and we'll put that blue one in there. It's a bit dirty, so Miss Betty will have to clean that one, wash that one up. Let's get these eggs out of this nesting box. Look at that. That's an interesting one. Look at that one. It's right rough. It's right rough. That's interesting. Okay. A couple of more. Another blue one. So the two blue azores laid today. All right, so that's 6 eggs. Now, let me get the rest of them. Let me get the rest of the eggs. Okay, there's one of the Norians. Put that one in there. We'll get the other one. Now that's 8. And there's 4 more up here. Oh my goodness, I didn't see that green one. So there's an olive down there too. So I'll have to get that one for sure. Okay, so we've got 12 plus the green one. That's a baker's dozen. That's 13. That's 13 eggs. And we'll take that every day. I cleaned the poop shelf yesterday. And last night, this is the mess they made. So I'll keep an eye on that. I try to do the poop shelf every couple of days, because I don't want them to get bumblefoot or whatever it is, get sore feet and stuff. So I clean that up as often as I can. And I actually even turned over the 2 roosting poles or rods that go across. So there you go. So that's a good thing. Anyway, thank you for watching this Friday update. We've got a few more eggs. That's great. And don't go stepping on them. You'll end up breaking them. All right. See you later, folks. Thanks for watching.